How to download and install Capcut on PC. I'm going to show you two easy ways to get Capcut on your Windows computer so you can start editing your videos smoothly. This guide is for Windows users. If you're on a Mac, just follow the same steps, but make sure to download from the official website since the Microsoft Store isn't available on Mac OS. Alright, let's start with the first method using the Microsoft Store. Go to the search bar at the bottom left corner of your screen and type Microsoft Store. Then click to open it. Once it opens, go to the search bar at the top and type in CapCut. Click on the official CapCut app from the results. Then, click Install. The download will begin automatically, and once it's done, it will install on its own. After it says installed, you can now close the Microsoft Store. Go back to the search bar, type in CapCut, and open the app. You might see a short loading screen that says Testing Environment. Now wait for that to finish, then click Confirm when it says your PC can run CapCut smoothly. From there, just click New Project and start editing. Now, if for some reason the Microsoft Store doesn't work, here's another method. Downloading it directly from CapCut's official website. Go to your browser and in the search bar, type CapCut Download. You should see the official site at the top. It's usually listed as www.capcut.com or something similar. Click that first result. Once the site loads, look for the download button on the homepage. Click it. The setup file will begin downloading right away. Once it finishes, open the installer file. If you see security pop-up, just click yes to continue. Follow the on-screen steps. It's usually just clicking install and waiting. Once it's done, CapCut will open automatically or you can search for it using the search bar. Just like before, you can hit create project, then import to start editing your content. And that's it. Two easy ways to download and install CapCut on your PC, either from the Microsoft Store or straight from their website. Hope this guide helped you out. Now go ahead and start creating something awesome with CapCut.